YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Back with another video for you guys today, man. So you read the title, you saw the thumbnail, you know what it is. But before we get into this video, man, I just want to say a big thank you to everybody who's joined the channel. We just hit 622 subscribers at the point of me recording this video, man. Thank you guys so much. It means every single subscriber means so much to me, man. The goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. Just one more time, big thank you. But for those of you that are new to the channel, new to the anonymous Sneakerhead and the anonymous Sneakerhead family, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on that notification bell so you get new information when I'm going to post and all of that fun stuff. Also, man, since you're here already, you might as well go ahead and smash that like button, hit the blue button. You know what I'm saying? It really helps with the algorithms, helps bring new people to the channel, helps this face get to new people. Hopefully those new people hit the red button below, join the family, and we can hit our goals. And last but not least, man, follow the Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first, guys. Post about pretty much everything there. I do a lot of polls on the story, kicks of the day, videos that I'm working on, videos that I should make, ask questions. People hit me in the DMs, yo, you should do a video about this, that, and the third. All of that, so make sure that you follow that. Now, let's get into the video, man. So you saw what it was. And if you guys have been around the channel for a little bit and been around my Instagram page, then you're like, bro, I thought you didn't want these. Why are you doing an unboxing? Well, this isn't my pair of them, you know what I'm saying? This isn't my pair of University Gold 12. Spoiler alert, that's what it is, haha. But this isn't my pair of University Gold 12s, but I did get a pair sent to me so I could look at them for you guys. And I heard a bunch of things about them, and I'm gonna tell you guys why I'm reluctant to buy them. I went from not gonna get them at all to now I'm reluctant to buy them, and I'll tell you why. But here we go. We got the box right here. Big box it was sent in. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. But I'm gonna open it up and we'll get into it. Alright, I don't know why it just took me so long to open up that box. This box pretty beat up too. But hey, here it is. You guys see the box right here. You know what it is. Jordan 12 box. You know what I'm saying? Old school. This is actually my favorite box. I guess technically my second favorite box. My favorite box, I think, is the one that the Bread 11s came in last year because it has the Nike swoosh on it. It's the same box, but just with the Nike swoosh. But here it is. You guys seen it before. It's a little beat up. But hey, it is what it is. Got it here in hand. Let's read the size tag, man. We have an Air. So this is an Air Jordan 12 Retro. And the color reads Black University Gold. This is a size 12. And it is $190 retail. So yeah, $190 retail, Black University Gold. You guys know what's coming up. Let's open up the box right here. Bang. Let me get out of here so I can get my face in there. Move the paper back. And here we go.
Whoa! Got him! Got him! Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
Yeah. These obviously are not the University Gold 12s, man. This is my Shaq Fu, the Bach Fu, the Reebok Shaq Fu, whatever you want to call it, man. Really excited to have them. But yo, let's talk about these University Gold 12s for real, man. So they were originally supposed to come out tomorrow, right? Here they are up on the screen. They were originally supposed to come out tomorrow. Retail is $190. Technically, I didn't lie, you know what I'm saying? Size 12, black and gold, you know what I'm saying? These are some black and gold 12s because they're size 12, but technically, I ain't lie. So, hey, man, this is how I feel about these. So they were supposed to come out tomorrow, the 18th. They got pushed back to the 24th. Now, those of you that know the anonymous Sneakerhead, who've been around, know that the Jordan 12 is probably my single favorite silhouette, with the Jordan 4 a close second. So it's hard for me to pass up on Jordan 12s, man. It really is hard. So why was I thinking about passing up on these, and why am I more reluctant to get them now that they've been pushed back? Well, a couple reasons. So one, I told you guys, me having these is a part of the reason that I got these pushed back. So I love Shaq Gnosis's. They made one in the same colorway, so that's also going to slow me down a little bit with getting those, just because I know if I get them, I'm going to wear these before I wear those 12s. But also, a bunch of reasons too. I mean, I'm a Cincinnati Bengal fan, Pittsburgh Steelers. Hard for me to wear Steelers colors, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just got to rock the colors that go together. But the biggest reason why I'm thinking about not getting them is, yo, coronavirus has been crazy, son. I got all of these shoes, and I mean, I've worn them on foot. So I've worn them like to the store and stuff. But like, I haven't really gotten a chance to wear a lot of my newer shoes just because we've been in the house. I've either been in the house or I've been working. I haven't really gone to no functions, going out to, you know what I'm saying, no parties, no functions, no bars, none of that. So a lot of my shoes have been locked up, man. So that would just be another shoe that I know I wouldn't wear for a long time. Now, are they going to sell out? Absolutely. Absolutely. And if circumstances were different, this is a sneaker that I'm grabbing, no question, especially since I started seeing a lot of early reviews on them, actual early reviews on them. And the leather on them is fire. But with the combination of coronavirus, everything, me not wearing a lot of my shoes, having these, which would be my go-to black and yellow shoes anyway, so I know those would stay DS for a while. So that added up, and then on top of the fact that I will be moving either at the beginning of next month, so the beginning of August or the beginning of September. I'm not 100% sure yet when I'll be moving out, but boom, I gotta drop that security deposit money, start paying rent, all of that. So that's more money that's gonna be going out. And on top of that, man, like I said, I'm slowing down right now. This is more of a video telling you about the anonymous sneakerhead videos for the next I say couple months, not even next couple months, like next month and a half. I'm slowing down really on sneaker pickups, you know what I'm saying? I got things to take care of. I got to get new tires for my car. Like I said, security deposit got to go down. I'm going to be moving, so I got to figure out how the stores work where I'm going to be moving to, because it's probably going to be a different vibe than what I got going on up here as far as pickups are concerned. And also just to get money in the door, you know what I'm saying? The only shoes I'm really going after right now, other than these 12s, the only shoe that's coming out that's officially been announced, you never know, they may show something else, but the only shoe that has an official release date so far that I really want is those Oregon 5s or the Elevate 5s that are coming out in September. So that's a ways away. I know we did get a look at the back to OG form Air Max 1s in the orange and green colorway. I am really interested in the orange colorway because I did want those orange Air Max 90s, and if I could get those orange ones, I might not get the 90s, but we'll see. But those don't have a release date yet. So I'm just trying to let you guys know what's going on inside of this head up here, what's going on behind the mask, what I'm thinking about as far as my sneaker pickups are concerned. So I will be going after the, you know what I'm saying, the Union 4s that are supposed to be coming out next month. I will be going after, I will be going after the Off-White 4s that are coming out. I will be going after the Grateful Dead Dunks. Resell. If I get any of those, I'm getting them to flip, purely to flip. Now, the only circumstance that I would keep an Off-White 4 is if I get the Off-White 4 and I also get the Union 4, then I'll keep one of those depending on which one I like, and I'll sell the other one. So if I do, with the off chance that I do get an Off-White 4 and the Union 4, if I do get the Off-White 4, I won't sell it till after the Union 4 comes out. But you obviously will get a video on them if I can get my hand on them. And then obviously we all know how that Grateful Dead Dunk is going to be. It's going to be Bot City. So good luck to anybody trying to get those. But that is it for this video, you guys. I know you wanted to see the University Gold 12s, but hey, you did get to see some size 12 University Gold and black sneakers regardless, you know what I'm saying? You did get to see some black and gold size 12 shoes. So technically, you did get your black and yellow 12 in this video, so you can't be mad at your boy. But that is it for this video, you guys. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't be too mad at me. But hey, if you are new here, make sure that you join the channel, man. Hit that subscribe button. Join the family. The goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Also, smash that like button, man. If you smash the like button, it'll help us get to our goal of 1,000 by the end of the year. It'll help the channel. A lot more videos will come out. More things that I'll be able to do as the channel grows. So definitely looking forward to that situation. So one more time, make sure you smash that like button. It does a lot more than I think you realize. And then last but not least, follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of info up there first, a lot of polls, all of that fun stuff, guys. But that is it for this one. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, It's all about the sneakers.